friends, I'm Peach. Today we are learning AI and robot words. AI and robots for kids. Learn fun tech words in English. Let's start. Robot. A robot is a smart machine that helps us. Computer. A computer helps us work, play and learn. Code. Code is a robot's language. It tells robots what to do. Chat. Chat means talking. We can even chat with robots. AI, which actually means artificial intelligence. AI is when machines can think and learn just like us. Drone. A drone is a flying robot. App. App is a program that we use. Smartwatch. A smartwatch is a tiny computer you can wear on your wrist just like a watch. So now let's do a quick recap. And here's a quick recap game for you. Which word means robot's language? Come on, take a guess before checking the answer. That's right, the answer is code. Yay! You learned AI and robot words today. See you next time, friends. And that also brings us to the end of this lesson. So for more such fun videos, be sure to check out other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut or Peach.